This is elder. Here you can see the flowers, what we call elderflower. You can see the berries just forming on some of the older parts of the plant, more mature parts. Anyway, it's called Sambucus nigra, and the flowers are used for helping reduce sweating, removing catarrh. It's anti-allergenic, good tea for hay fever and a runny nose. And the berries are used as an immunological support, good for seasonal viruses, respiratory conditions, and all parts of the plant are used actually. It's got an aromatic flavour, slightly bittersweet. Have to be a bit careful if people are using blood sugar medications, as it can reduce blood sugar a little bit. Another word of caution is to not eat the fresh berries, because it can upset some people's digestion. So always cook the berries first, or tincture them, make a tea.